Hello everyone. Today we are going to study difference between plant and animal cell from the chapter Cell Structure and its Functions. As you can see in the picture figure 8.7, there are two structures given. First, A is plant cell and B is animal cell. So we are going to read in detail that what are the parts of these plant and animal cell and what is the difference between plant and animal cell. So let's start from the serial number 1, that is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a part of the plant which is present in plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell. So this structure is known as cell membrane and it separates the cell content from its outside environment. What is the function of the cell membrane? It separates the content of the cell from its outside environment. Okay. Then it is present in both plant as well as animal cell. Now come to the next part, that is cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell while it is absent in animal cell. As you can see that in plant cell, see it is given in detail. This part is actually shown in detail over here as like this. So the part of the membrane, you can see this is double membrane. The plant cell has double membrane. Double membrane means it has cell membrane as well as it has cell wall. So the membrane which is towards the outside environment is known as cell wall, while the membrane which is towards the inside environment is known as cell membrane. So what is the need for the plant cell to have double membrane structure or two membranes? The need is that plant cannot move from their place and they have to face everything like heavy rains, winds and all the things by standing at their place only. They cannot move from one place to other place. So that's why to withstand such adversities of nature, they have two membranes and that makes them rigid. Now next is nucleus. Nucleus is present, is the most important part of the cell which is present. So we can write here, nucleus is present in both the cells. Plant cell, we can say the plant cell also have the nucleus as well as animal cell. So it is present in both the cells. And what is the function of nucleus? It contains nuclear material. Nuclear material like DNA and RNA. Okay, so this nuclear material, it transfers information from one generation to the next generation by means of genes. Okay, this nuclear material transfers information from one generation to other generation by means of the structures called genes, or we can say that genes transfer from one generation to its offspring and genes are present on these thread-like structures. We can see the thread-like structures in the nucleus of the cell during division, which are known as chromosomes. Okay, so we say that genes are present on chromosomes and genes transfer information from parents to offspring whilst the cell divides. Now move on to the next part, that is fourth one, nuclear membrane. What is nuclear membrane? Similarly, as the cell membrane separates the cell from the content of the cell from its outer environment, similarly the nuclear membrane, the membrane which I am underlining, this nuclear membrane separates the nuclear material from the cytoplasm or outside of the cell. Okay, so this is, you can see over here, actually they have not labeled it, so let me label it. This is the nuclear membrane. Okay, this is the nuclear membrane. It is present in plant cell. See, you can see the membrane over here. Okay, so this is present in plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell. Okay, this is nuclear membrane. So we can say nuclear membrane is present in plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell, and that's why plant and animal cell are known as eukaryotes. Okay, these are known as eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means the if the nucleus passes nuclear membrane, then those organisms are known as eukaryotes. Now come on to the next one, that is cytoplasm. So we can see cytoplasm is what? Cytoplasm is a jelly like substance. It is present, you can see here, it is present in plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell also. Okay, so we write that cytoplasm is present in plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell also. And what is the function of cytoplasm? It holds on all the content of the cell, or we can say that the cell organelles like this okay, what is this? This is mitochondria. So the cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids, these all are present in cytoplasm. Now we will move on to the next one, that is plastid. What is plastid? See, plastids is actually part of the cell, or we can say it's a cell organelle which is present only in the plant cell. Can you see the green color dots in plant cell, but not it is present in animal cell? Why? Because what happens, beta, plant can produce, see these green color structures we can see in plant cell, but we cannot see them in animal cell. Why? Because plants have the capacity to produce their own food by using sunlight and carbon dioxide with the help of chlorophyll. Okay, so this chlorophyll is present only in plant cells. It is not present in animal cell, and this chlorophyll is present in the structure called plastids. Plastids, they contain, what they contain? They contain a green color pigment called as chlorophyll. Okay, let me erase this. They contain a green color structure called chlorophyll inside the chloroplast. So we say that plastids are present in plant cell while they are absent in animal cell. Now next one is vacuole. Okay, so let's see what happens to vacuole. The part which I am coloring as green, okay, which I am making as green, can you see this part? This part is very large in, you can see this is labeled as vacuole. So this part is very large in plant cell, while this part is very small in animal cell. Okay, so we can say that vacuole is present in both the cells, plant cell as well as it is present in animal cell, but the size of the vacuole in plant cell and animal cell is different. Means the size of the vacuole in plant cell is comparatively large as compared to that in animal cell. So we say that vacuole is present, okay, in plant cell also, it is present in animal cell also. But the plant cell, the size of the vacuole is large, and here the size of the vacuole is small. Okay, so you can also list as this table as the difference between plant and animal cell, and also the content or the parts of the plant and animal cell.